Welcome to TechLipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy slide on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After that, open up any document. Now here you can see so many slides. From here just click on view tab, and here on the presentation views option you can find slide shorter. Just click here, then you can see your all the slide. From here if you want to copy the slide, just select it and then right click on mouse and then click on copy. Now if I open a new document, just click on file option and open a blank presentation. From here just click on view tab again and then click on slide shorter and then select it, then right click on mouse. Now here on the paste option you can find two options: use destination theme and another is keep source formatting. To paste your copied slide you have to select keep source formatting option. Just click here and that's it. You can see your slide has been pasted successfully. So just click on normal view option and here it is. From here delete your first slide. Just select it and then right click on mouse and then click on delete slide. That's it. And that is how you can copy slide on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.